What's up, guys? It is Friday, October 28th. Stock market outlook for this morning. It is bullish. You probably saw the core PCE numbers come out, and let's go ahead and get on into it. Firstly, here we go. Here's the core month over month, 0.5, in line with um, actually consensus. Actually, last month was 0.6, so I'm not sure what's going on with that one, but I showed in the video last night um, that it was 0.6. So this number is at the very least in line with, um, but I think it actually exceeds because this previous column, I don't think that's quite right. I showed it in last night's video, the 0.6 number on this very same website. So something must have, maybe something was revised. I don't know. But let's look at TQQQ. This is real time right now in pre-market trading, about 15 minutes before opening bell. As you see there, my screen is updating. Look at the 5-minute. Look at how strong that is. Okay, but I also want to call your attention. Look at the 30-minute. Look at that. Look at that big green candle body firmly above the gray line. That is positive because we have not had that um, for since since 2 trading days ago. Earlier this week, that would have been Wednesday, I believe. See that? We have not had 30-minute candles firmly above any line until this morning. Okay, that's good. Let's look at the 65-minute over here to the far right. Big candle going up. Okay, look at the 5-minute right here towards the center of your screen. Oh, that looks great. The 5-minute, as you guys know, that is my favorite to look at. The 5-minute is now pushing up against the upper end edge of the Bollinger Band. Okay, I'm gonna skip on over to the VIX. I don't place too much attention on the 1-minute as always, but you know the 1-minute is in line with the 5-minute. So let's get to VIX. Okay, this is VIX, 5-minute pre-market real time right now, and look at this. This is when the numbers, the core PCE was released, down ever since. And notice how far below the 5 moving average, 5 EMA 50, the 5-minute EMA 50, and the EMA 20 it is. Didn't even touch it. Okay, didn't even touch it. And you know the MACD firmly down. Now let's go up to a little bit larger time frame, 30-minute. Okay, here we go. 30 minutes. Let's scrunch this out a little bit. Okay, the 30-minute looks to be even worse. The 30-minute didn't even try to come up like you saw in the 5-minute, right? A moment ago. See, the 5-minute, it tried to come up. But the 30-minute, well, let me just go to the 5 days instead, make it a little bit bigger. Here we go. It just stayed down, okay? Firmly below in the downward trajectory on the 30-minute time frame. MACD is low, but you know, you cannot rule out a chance for, at least at opening bell, a pullback, right? That's standard. Just like yesterday, you saw the markets surge, but then VIX took over, sort of. I mean, VIX didn't surge yesterday, but you saw a pullback, right? That's where I made my mistake yesterday. I didn't anticipate the pullback. I thought it was going to rally, and so I think that I was a day early because I think we're going to get a rally today. Okay, look at the 65-minute. Okay, 65-minute. That's even worse. Look at that. See that big? Let's see here. The big red candle. Let me zoom in a little bit. Yeah, that's a big red candle. That's not good. The fact that it came right up against the simple moving average, right? The gray line, right up against it, and then boom, big red candle down. That is a loss of momentum. Okay, and on the 65-minute, see this MACD line right here? Not only is it firmly below zero, right? It's now curling down. Okay, VIX on the 65 minute, which I consider a larger time frame, right? I consider the 30, the 60, and then obviously, let's look at the 130. The 130 firmly below the 20, which is, and the 20 is the 20 SMA 20, and the SMA 20 is firmly below the EMA 50 on the 130-minute time frame. That's bad in terms of momentum. That's bearish in terms of VIX momentum. See that? And now this morning we have a big red candle down even further. So, and look at the RSI down here. It's just going down on the 130, right? And if you kind of see it, the MACD on the 130 is curling here. I'll just move my cursor over it. It is curling down 130. On the 65, it's more obvious. Here we go. See that? Yeah, it's more obvious on the 65. It just takes time for the 130 and the 195 to reflect itself. Right from it's got to start from the lower time frames first. I've now moved over to the 195-minute time frame for VIX. Okay, here's the MACD. It's just flatlined, far below zero, and at negative what? Negative 85. Yeah, negative 0.85 on the MACD. So today's gonna be an update, guys. I just wish it came yesterday. That's okay. Made the call a little bit early. So that is all I've got for you. Happy trading. I'm not gonna trade today because I've got some errands to run and I can't be around. So good luck to you if you decide to go long. We'll talk to you again. Actually, this weekend I'm gonna do some videos. For if you have any, if you're a swing trader, that's what I'm gonna do for you guys. So, all right, talk to you later.